Today's lesson, how to draw cartoon faces on a heart. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my lesson today. Today we're going to be doing an interesting one as we've done in the past. We're going to be creating one object, and then from this object, which is a heart, we're going to create several different types of faces on there. We've done that with the tree and the bread. I've gotten a lot of compliments and people sending me messages enjoying it, so I thought of doing it once again and just a little fun once again. So when creating this, remember you might want to do it in two steps. Create the object, in this case the heart, on one layer, and then on another piece of paper do all the faces so you don't got to recreate the heart every time. But a heart's an easy one, such as like the piece of bread. So let's begin the lesson. As you can see, I'm sketching out the heart already and I'm working on the face, and I have the crosshair to help guide me with the positioning of the eyes and nose and just giving the angle where it is. So where we currently are right now are the two eyeballs and the nose, that little curved on the top there, and now making a big mouth. And I'm going to make it wide open. There we go. I'm going to create a little overlapping lip there. Got a little tongue. And then I'm just going to do some quick little speed lines in the back of the mouth there just to separate them. All right. Just about done with that one. A little high cheek there. Let's get a little accent around the eyes. I get really happy. And the eyelids there, looking good. I mean, the eyebrows actually, a little high up there. And again, this is just a lesson teaching you how to make expressions and different types of eyes too. This was a solid eye. All right, that looks good. All right, let's get this next one going. Once again, I have the crosshair helping out. So which face are we going to be doing this time? Okay, looks like I'm squinting. Those are like quick little squinting. Really squinting. You could be like, ow, the sun's in my eye, or you're really upset. Or you could be laughing really hard as well, and your eyes are closed. All right, get that chin there, that little lip there, get that little highlight. In this case, I have all the teeth. So no tongue this time. All right, so I have the eyebrow on the top and really out there. And you can have one higher than the other one too, really much higher, exaggerated than what I have there. Just another idea. All right, that's looking good. All right, so let's do another one. So what do you think I'm going to be doing this time? Let's see. Okay, got the crosshair now. Different style eye. Okay, I'm going to just get them both in there really quick. A little bit of the eyelid there. And with these eyes, what I like is because you can really show the type of the eye if it's looking up. Okay, like, oh boy. Not again, sarcastic or tired, or really do I need to do that? Kind of a look on his face. Or if the eyelids are lower, it could look tired and sleepy. There we go. So more like sticking out his little tongue or biting on his lip. All right, let's get the next one going now. So what do we have here now? Same thing. Got the heart up there. Okay, so what are we going to work on now? Let's see. Let's get the little higher up. See, I changed the little line there. So let's, what type of eyes are the facial? Okay. Oh, I'm squinting again. Okay, but now you can see it looks like I'm looking towards the right, a little higher up. What's the face going to be? Another smile. Okay, what's this one? Big mouth open again. Yeah, really big this time. Okay, there we go. And this time, not all teeth, but one row on the top and the tongue on the bottom. So it's like sticking out, a little bit different personality all together, like a little puppy dog. Really, really happy. And see, what's really good is you guys can really practice looking left, looking right, looking up, looking down. And all these facial expressions are really good practice for any of your cartoons that you're working on right now. Your characters, from animals to humans to space aliens, dinosaurs, whatever you're currently working on. All right, that's looking good. Getting ready for the next one. All right, so what do you think we're going to be doing for the next one now? Let's play up a little. Okay, let's change the angle and looking more to the left now. Okay, I got one little eye. Oh, I got two big eyes. Oh, I got the center one really small there and a big one there. It's like shock. Like, oh, what's up? Okay, that's like I can't believe I just saw that or I heard that. Or You could just make him sticking out his tongue, giving you a little raspberry. There you go. There. So it's like, sticking out the tongue. So again, those eyes are just as important to have some real character, like wow, or just like giving a different personality. In this case, the eyebrow is a little high, and this one here I'm making a little bit low, following the shape of the two eyeballs that are next to each other. All right. I think we're done with that little fun one. So let's get started on another one. What do you think we're going to be doing this time? Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be looking to the right, a little high up. Okay, so got the circle going there for the eye. Which style eye? Oh, let's make them a little tired maybe. Oh, or that's just the type of facial expression. Let's see, get the other one there again. And you can change these eyes. They don't have to be the same size. One could be a little bit bigger and one could be a little bit smaller, depending on like what it is. But in this case, I'm trying to keep them pretty close. Again, this is just sketching. That's not 100%. This is just to get your thoughts down. And this one here, I'm a little the same shape and angle where the other one is too. You could add this one on the left way high up and rotate it even more, a little curvature on there. And he's just like, I'm tired. And you can make the wiggly lips. Oh boy. There you go. All right, that was a fun one. Let's get that a little darker here and there. Working around. There we go. That's looking good. So as you can see with this one here, what I want you to really learn is something fun you can also do and twist it up. All right, so the next one. What do you think we're going to be doing? Let's see. All right, we got the heart there. Okay. Let's get the crosshairs going in right now. Style eyes. Okay, circle ones again. Shade them in solid. All right. Ooh, yeah, when I put the little eyelashes on there, you're making it like a little girly girl one right now. There you go. Okay, again. The two. You can do 2, 3, 4, as many as you want to. I normally stick with 2 eyelashes or 3 eyelashes. And I made one a little bit bigger than the other. And here, this eyebrow is really high up. And this one, just a little bit closer. Kind of like, ooh, you know. All right, and let's see, what are we going to do? What tile? Let's work on like the girl lips right now. Here we go. Like that one. Okay, that's the top part of the lip. There's a little smile. There's a bottom part of the lip right there. There's a lot of different techniques when you're doing girl features with their eyes and lips. All right, as I shade that one in, that's looking good. All right, let's get a little bit darker for her eyes there. And again, when you finish this up and everything, you can actually have highlights on the eyes and on the lips that gives that round figure of the lips. Let's get that a little darker for there as well. Let's shade in those lips. Let's add a little highlight on the top there. All right, that's looking good. Get the bottom lip there. A little shade in there as well. A little darker there, a little darker over here. A little bit more concentration on the line art now. Okay, that's looking good. I like that one. All right, so what's the next one do you think we could be working on? Another heart. Let's see. Okay, got another crosshair going on. We didn't do a grumpy one, have we? Or maybe a squinting one, like a pirate. Or a silly one, maybe, like he's squinting his eye, like, and smiling. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's a girl. Yep, we got the 2 eyelids on that one going. Get the eyebrow really high up. There we go. And what's the mouth going to be? A smiling one then, really, really broad one. Okay, let's get that underneath there. There we go. Wide open. There you go. So she's showing all teeth, smiling with her teeth. There you go. She's just like kind of like a wink. That was a fun one. All right, so what's the next one do you think we could work on? Let's see. 2 big eyes, okay. Big one again. What are we going to do? Half moon? Oh, let's do half moon. Yeah, there we go again. Another one, even lower. And they're kind of cross-eyed. Yep. So it's like, yo, is he staring at something and making him face cross-eyed? Are we going to make silly face again? So not so many curves now, so let's give him a little buck teeth. You know, if you look at it, it could be like a little bunny rabbit or a chipmunk of an animal. their face could fit this character really easy if you had a nose on there too. Eyebrows, just going to standardize them. There we go. That's look good. All right. Fill all the way, just a little bit darker here and there. But overall, I think this one's another silly one. You can make them blown bubbles. That's coloring the eyebrows there. The eyelids, I should say. There we go. Okay, that's looking good. Oh, let's get the teeth a little bit darker. And shade underneath there, give some dimension. I think that was it. A little high cheek there. That's it. I like that. All right. So I think this will be the end of the lesson. And I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe to this video series and have a great day. Thanks again.